back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I will be doing a headband wig review. This unit was sent over from UNice Hair, so thank you so much to UNice for sending this unit over for me to review. This is a curly headband wig, 22 inches long, and you can see the texture here. So this is how the hair looks after washing her. She's still a little damp, but not too much. I did co-wash her with the As I Am cleansing conditioner. So roomy. Oh, I love when they feel like this. The cap feels like really spacious. So if you have a small hair, you might have to adjust the straps a little bit, but it feels good for me. So this is what the unit is looking like straight on my head. If you don't want to show your edges or anything like that, you can certainly just pull it up a little bit, and then everything is nice and concealed. This is the standard black headband that comes with the unit with the Velcro strap. These are how the curls are looking after I washed her and I let her air dry. Really pretty curls, nice texture. Some people prefer to wear their curly units like this, nice and calm and maintained, and the curls are defined. I do think she is cute like this. I don't know, maybe I won't fluff this one out. I normally fluff them out, like fluff. We want to be different today. I'm not even going to fluff this one out. Normally I take my wide tooth comb and I go to town, I go to work. But I'm going to leave it like this today because, you know, some people like this option. So we're going to play around with this one. She did come with a few different headbands, and this is one of them. I think this one is cute and different. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one on. I didn't even do my edges or anything. So once again, you can wear her right to the front like this. And it's cute. I do like this headband. What was I about to say? So this unit is big head friendly. It feels really good. This is the natural color. I'm going to go ahead and read you the specs for this unit straight from their website. This is their UNice curly human hair headband wig, glueless, 200% density, and I have mine in 22 inches. The price for this unit is $152.99. I think that is affordable. I think that's a great price for this unit. You can also save some extra money by using my coupon code that will be in the description box below. They are also having a huge sale for Black Friday, November 23rd through November 27th. So make sure you check them out during those dates to save some additional money as well. Let me go ahead and turn around so you can see her from all angles. When I washed her, I did get very light shedding from her, very light, so very minimal shedding and no tangles so far. My hands are just gliding through. The hair feels really soft and I really do like her. The more you kind of finger comb her too, she will get a little bigger as well. So I'm low-key finger combing. So let's go ahead and get into a few different headband looks you can achieve with this unit, and I will be back at the end.
See them man, they ain't worth your time. Baby, don't waste your wine. Yeah, for a drink, baby, take your time. Baby, don't waste your wine. Yeah, there ain't no girl like you. No. Yeah, them girls don't move like you. No. Girl, you amazing. Standing ovation. Girl, you got patience. Now you back to the basics. Baby, no lying. You on fire like I just bought you the car. Like on baby, send me location. Yeah, there ain't no girl like you. No. Yeah, them girls don't move like you. No meeting and greeting. I don't really mind staying in for the weekend. Just me and you in this bed we can sleep in. Share me your feelings, I like hearing you speaking. Yeah, got the Maggie creeping. Turn up the heating, lights off, no peeking. Got the bed creaking, shower head steaming. Drying off in sheepskin, know what you're feeling. It's a just dating. See them man, they ain't worth your time. Baby, don't waste your wine. Yeah, for a drink, baby, take your time. Baby, don't waste your wine.
So beauties, those are all the looks I have for you today with this unit. I did get minimal shedding as I was moving her around in a few of the different hairstyles, but nothing major, no major complaints. I think she is really, really cute. I'm loving the density, the fullness. I love it. And the curls are so pretty. I did not fluff them out this time, so I'm so proud of myself for that. I also think the price is very fair, affordable, reasonable, all of that. So if you like this unit, please be sure to click that link down in the description box below where you can find a coupon code, and also you can save some additional money the week of Black Friday. Thank you so much to UNice Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you have not already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified when I post. And follow me over on Instagram. My IG is Deanna_Monet. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me and my channel. I will catch you in the next one.